Hi everyone. Today I'm going to fix a leaking safety valve off of my boiler. This thing's been dripping for a while now. I did have to replace the expansion tank because the bladder went bad in that, and when the bladder went bad it blew off the safety relief valve. This is set to about 10 to 12 pounds pressure, and the safety valve itself is set for 30 pounds. And whenever the bladder went in here, the water had nowhere to expand to, and the safety valve kept blowing off. So I replaced the tank, which fixed the problem. But typically with safety valves, once they start blowing off, they tend to leak through. So this one's been leaking through for a bit, dripping water, and I'm going to fix that. And now the safety valve is leaking, and if you can get a good look at here, this is a Watts safety valve, 30 pounds, and it's 3/4 inlet and outlet NPT. My safety valve discharges through the wall in a 3/4 inch copper pipe, and then it just blew down to a workbench here. Ruined it, so I got to replace that. I got a bucket underneath it here, and it's just been dripping for a good while. So first you shut off the furnace to shut off the water supply after I've turned off the furnace. So this is a regulator that takes that down to about 10 pounds off the main city, so that's shut off. Then I need to shut off the gas because I don't want empty tubes being heated by the pilot light. And we need to drain the boiler. So with any container you drain, you're going to have to open the top up because you're going to get a vacuum at some point. So in these older pipes here, this is 1970s era, I have a vacuum release valve. So open that drain, turn this, and I'm letting air in here. It's kind of vacuum release and bleed valve. A little persuasion. Got a little bit of heat to this. There we go. Yeah, get that out of the way. Got grunt, that helps. Boy, it's in there. There you go. Look inside that. So you can see junk just gets in that seat. That pipe's been sitting idle for how long? So it leaks by. So I hopped on Amazon.com and looked at that tag that was on the valve and ordered a Watts replacement valve. Pretty much fit for fit, 30 psi. Nice and clean in there. Seal the threads. Teflon paste. To reverse the process. And this guy has a little nipple there. Shoot. Get that out. There's a little nipple on the bottom. This part of the valve. I gotta change that. Make sure your drain shut off. Turn the water back on. You wait for your water to come out and you shut this off. Alright, let's switch it on. Alright, there's the final product. The safety valve back in place, not blowing off anymore. All good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. Good luck on your own project.